Discovering Euphoria, Unraveling, Be in Seventh Heaven. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that paints a vivid picture of happiness and bliss. Be in seventh heaven. This phrase is a wonderful example of how English uses imagery to express feelings. So, if you're ready to explore and add a colorful expression to your vocabulary, stay tuned. First, let's uncover where "be in seventh heaven" comes from and what it really means. This phrase has ancient roots, tracing back to religious and mystical texts that describe heaven as having multiple levels. The seventh heaven is often depicted as the highest, most blissful, and serene place, symbolizing the ultimate state of happiness and contentment. When someone says they are in seventh heaven, they're expressing a feeling of extreme joy or happiness, as if they're in the most blissful place imaginable. It's a way to convey a sense of profound satisfaction or elation, often in response to a positive event or outcome in their life. Now that we know what it means, let's talk about how to use "be in seventh heaven" in everyday conversation. This phrase is perfect for personal stories or reactions to good news. For example, after receiving his exam results, Tom exclaimed, "I'm in seventh heaven right now. Seeing my family after so long made me feel like I was in seventh heaven." It's a versatile expression that can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it tends to add a touch of dramatic flair to the conversation. Understanding the cultural context and variations of "be in seventh heaven" can enrich your usage of the phrase. While its roots are ancient, the expression is used widely across English-speaking cultures, carrying the same connotation of ultimate happiness. However, it's interesting to note that other languages and cultures have similar expressions to depict the highest state of joy, which reflects a universal human experience of seeking and celebrating moments of bliss. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, "be in seventh heaven," with us. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the depth of human emotions and experiences. Next time you're feeling on top of the world, you'll have the perfect expression to share your joy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has brought a little piece of seventh heaven to your day.